I'm Millie Altieri, the second daughter of Peter Ben and Vasily Costello. On behalf of Myrna, Audrey, and the grandchildren and our entire family, we sincerely appreciate all of you coming to share and celebrate Mom's life. I am also given the tough task of honoring our mother in giving her eulogy tomorrow. And tomorrow you will hear her life story and how she immigrated here, how she met my father, her life here on this beautiful island she called home, and her most recent years in California. But tonight, I wanted to share what I loved about my mom. I'm not sure if it's our Filipino culture or because the generation my mom was in, or just who my mom was. But growing up, my mom was not an affectionate person. But over the last few years, while she's been with me and my sisters in Los Angeles, she has hugged us more and told us she loved us more than she has ever had in our childhood. And for this, we are grateful. I would like in turn to personally share why and what I love most about my mom. I love that my mom was beautiful. When I was a little girl, I would watch her get ready for church on Sundays and wish when I grew up, I would be just as beautiful as her. I love that my mom was fearless. She didn't just tell my sisters we could do anything in life, but she taught us. I believe we are strong, independent, and competent women. I love that my mom was a free spirit. She loved to travel and experience new adventures. She traveled to Europe, Central America, different states in the mainland, and back home to the Philippines several times. I loved that she never forgot where she came from and had the opportunity to bring her father here from the Philippines to live with her for many years. She later brought her brother, Dionisio, and his wife, Rosita, to live with her here as well. I love that my mom loved to sing. It made her happy to sing in the church choir. And it brings me such bittersweet memories when her and my dad would sing their favorite song together, By the Light of the Silvery Moon. I love that my mom loved meeting new people. When we were growing up, there were always visitors at our house. She loved to entertain and invite people over all the time. We didn't even know them. I love that my mom was a selfless person. She always gave her time and energy to many groups and activities here on Lanai, especially the church. She would even volunteer me and my sisters without us knowing it. Next thing you know, we were performing at an event. I love that my mom loved to laugh. She loved being happy and just simply laughing. In fact, one of her favorite holidays was April Fool's Day. She would always try to prank us on that day. I love that she was passionate about dancing. She shared her knowledge of Filipino dancing, not with just her daughters, but the entire community of Lanai. She loved to perform. I love that she wholeheartedly loved her grandchildren. Megan, Justin, Vida, Kiani, Kiola, and Gabriel more than anything in this world. She would do anything for them. I love that my mom loved gambling. Now, every time I go to a casino, I think of her. I also remember how she taught me how to play mahjong. I love that my mom was a faithful friend. All her kumares and kumais. And to those of you who were her dearest friends, know who you are. She loved you like you were her sisters and would do anything for you. She missed all of you and wished she could have visited you one last time. She always talked about each and every one of you. I love that she believed in God and had such strong faith in the Lord. She prayed a lot and would say the rosary often. I love that my mom taught my sisters and I that we were foremost a family, no matter what. She told and taught us how to always be there for each other and how to take care of one another, just like today. I love that my mom loved to cook, and when she cooked for a whole army. To this day, when my sisters and I cook, we follow the same tradition. I love that my mom had style. Everywhere she went, people would comment on how pretty and stylish she dressed. I loved that about 6 years ago, my mom left me a voicemail on my birthday, wishing me a happy birthday and telling me how much she loved me. Luckily, I saved it, so now on every birthday, or just any day when I miss her, I can retrieve it at any time to hear her voice again. I love that my mom loved my father and the family and the life they built together here on Lanai. This was her home. She loved it here. Well, now that we've brought her home for the final time, she can now lay to rest with Dad and be with the Lord. I love you, Mom. One last thing my mom loved was when her grandson Gabriel would always sing to her. She would ask my son to sing for her all the time. So my son would like to sing for her one more